A nurse, a mother and wife, Christine Linus dedicated her life caring for others. The 39-year-old killed by an alleged drug driver in a head-on crash.
Gorgeous, caring soul, loving mother.
Her husband of 16 years, Andrew, and their 2 teenage children, now forced to come to terms with their loss.
We're just sorting out the rest of our life, and it was starting to take shape.
It's another innocent person unnecessarily taken from the earth.
Jaden Ainsley is accused of being behind the wheel of the stolen Ford SUV that ploughed into her along Boral Road at Sunshine Acres just after 10 o'clock last night. Police allege the 25-year-old, who's known to authorities, was on drugs, speeding and driving without a licence. It's also alleged he had drugs in the car, a car that was stolen from a Pyalba charity over the weekend.
So we can show the car moving around Hervey Bay in the 24 hours prior to the incident. It was a horrific scene. Both vehicles are totaled.
Christine was just on her way to work when horror struck.
Said goodbye to the kids that were still awake. And
the crash heard by witnesses living nearby.
It was just, a mighty big bang. My son, he's only 9, and he jumped out of bed and he said, "Dad, did you hear that? I think it was a big car crash."
Locals have told 7 News the 25-year-old told them that the driver had fled the scene and was in bushland. They attempted to help police, Dog Squad and Polair find that person, but police now believe that was a made-up story.
People that are doing this to families in the community aren't the ones that are suffering.
Christine's heartbroken family hoping her legacy can be cause for change.
people should be able to go to work safely and come home, have a car, not be worried about it getting stolen. Something needs to happen.
They chose to do what they've done in life. I hope that it has some effect, at least, of the reality of what they've done.